Today we are going to embroider this wonderful design. I will use stem stitch to do this bow. Most of you are familiar with this stitch. Take very small stitches and I will fill up this bow using stem stitch. Again turn it to this side. Do another line of stem stitch. This way you can fill up the bow. For the petals, I am going to use lazy daisy stitch. Very simple. Just pick it up from here. Take the needle out from here. Put the thread around. And put the needle down. It's very simple and it is very similar to chain stitch. If you are very familiar with the chain stitch, then I don't think you will find it very difficult to do. I'm showing you once again, just like this. Put the thread around, pull this up and put it down. That's all. Very simple. Simple, but it looks nice. Now I am going to do this part of the flower. I am going to use satin stitch, which is usually used for filling. Simple, you take out the needle from here, just go down and come up from this side. This is a very simple stitch, but you must do it very carefully. There shouldn't be much gap between two stitches. Otherwise, it does not look very good. This is known as the satin stitch. That's all. Done. You just put the needle inside. That is all. And looks nice. For the frill, I am going to use buttonhole stitch. Simple stitch. Just pick it up a little bit from here and thread round the needle. Just a little bit. You can just leave a little bit of gap between two stitches, but not much. Just that's all. This is known as the buttonhole stitch. A simple stitch. That's all. There shouldn't be too much of gap between two stitches. And if you think, then you may draw the second line also, so that the stitches are of the same size more or less. But if you are doing embroidery for quite some time now, then I don't think you need to draw the second line. I will use feather stitch for this part. Another simple stitch. Just pick up the needle from here, go to this side, come down a little bit and pull up the thread. Then go to this side, again the same thing, come down a little bit and put the needle down and come up from this side. Should be more or less on the same line. Same line as this one. Go down a little bit and that's all. Put the needle down, again come up from this side, go down a little bit, just a little bit, you will go down and pull up the thread. Again go down. It is just that. It is a very simple stitch. This is known as the feather stitch. That's all. A simple stitch. But looks nice. After completion, the design will look like this. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. With a little bit of patience and practice, you can create wonderful designs. Kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Until next time, happy stitching.